Hello students, lesson number 12, percentage. Inside it, yesterday I told you what is the meaning of the sign percentage, how to write it, how to it percentage in the form of fraction. Inside it we seen the 3 by 4, 2 by 5, 1 by 2 fractions. And also we seen this example, Giri Premi group and the Karmavir groups, how whose percentage of the plantation is flourished more. Today we will see the next solved example in Khatau Taluka. In Khatau Taluka, it was decided to make 200 ponds in Varudgaon and 300 ponds in Zakhangaon. These are the places from the Khatau Taluka. And of these 120 ponds of Varudgaon were completed. Means Varudgaon's total target is how much it is there? It is 200 ponds target is there. And out of that 200, 120 ponds are there. It was what? Completed, or it was ready. Now how much left? 80 were left. For Zakhangaon, out of 300 ponds of the Varudgaon, for Zakhangaon 300 ponds are decided, and from that the work of 165 ponds were completed. Now we have to check that here in which village was a greater proportion of the work completed. So we have to check that Varudgaon's work is more completed or the Zakhangaon's work is more completed. Okay, suppose for the both the cases, if 100 ponds they have to prepare from Varudgaon also and Zakhangaon also. From that 60, Zakhangaon's completed and Varudgaon's 50 completed. Then whose work was done by more? That is Varudgaon's. But here the total is different given, 200 and the 300, and that's why it is little bit, means we have to find out the percentage from this. Both the gaons, both that gaons are there. This how much work is completed. Then we can say that which village work is more completed. So for that, how to find the ratio? Just I told you, complete work. So how much out of 200? How many ponds were complete now? 120 completed. Then for 100, how much? 8% of work completed. In that way, we have to take this ratio for the Varudgaon. And for Zakhangaon, same, out of 300, how much work is completed? 165. Then for 100, how much work completed? B% work completed. In this way, if we solve these ratios, we will get the required answer. Now see how it is solved. To find the answer, we shall find the percentage of work completed. Means how much completed work? Out of 2, for Varudgaon, out of 200, 120 ponds are ready. Means that much work is completed. So we have to take the ratio of work completed upon total work. Work completed upon total work. If you see here also 165 work completed and 300 is the total work. So that ratio we have to take here. Let the number of ponds completed in the Varudgaon be how much? A% we have to take. A% means what? I told you A upon 100. And Zakhangaon's B%. B% means how much? B upon 100. Okay. So in this way we have to assume that the percentage of work completed by Varudgaon and the percentage of work Zakhangaon completed by A% and the B% respectively. Now we shall find the ratios of the number of ponds completed to the number of ponds. Which ratio? Number of ponds work completed means number of ponds completed divided by number of ponds planned in each case. When these two ratios and obtain the equation to solve it. So first of all we will see the Varudgaon. Which ratio we have to take? The work completed upon planned work. Work completed upon planned work. So here out of 200, that is the total planned work, and out of it how much? 120 was complete. So 100 A upon 100, A% is equal to 120 upon 200. When you solve this, you can solve it in two ways. First of all, just take this 100. As you know that, as I told you, if it is here for divide, it will come here, another side of its equal to sign, it will come here for the multiplication. So here if you directly solve, 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 and the 0. So how much work completed? 60%. That is one method to solve the example. Otherwise one more method is there, that is given in our textbook. How it is there? We have to cancel this 100. So multiply this and both side of equation with the 100. So 100 get this cancelled with this 100. 100 ones are 100, 100 twos are 200, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12 and the 0. So 2 6 are 12 and the 0. So 12 and the 0. So 60% work of Varudgaon was completed. Now we will check how much work of the Zakhangaon completed. So the total planned ponds for the Zakhangaon are 300. Okay, and out of 300 how much it is completed? 165. So ratio we are taking of this planned work completed upon total work. So out of 300 how much work is completed? 165, and we decide or we assume that out of 100 how much B percent of work is completed. So B upon 100 is equals to 165 upon 300. Now just now I told you the how we can solve this. This 100 is there, it will come here for the multiplication. 100 ones are 100, 100 threes are 300, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 1 remain, 3 fives are 15. Means Varudgaon's how much work is completed? 55% work is completed. Okay. Now another method of solving, we have to cancel this 100. So multiply both side of equation with the 100. This 100 get cancels with this 100. 100 ones are 100, 100 threes are 300, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 1 remain, 3 fives are 15. So 55% work of the Zakhangaon completed. Now compare the work. Varudgaon's how much work is completed? 60%. And Zakhangaon's how much work is completed? 55. Here the number is greater, 165 is greater than 120. Then we are thinking the Zakhangaon completed the more work, but it is not like that. If you find the ratio of it, percentage of it work completed, you will understand that the Varudgaon's work is completed in the more quantity. Okay. Now the second example. For summative evaluation, as you know that in our you are also doing this summative evaluation and the formative evaluation. Summative evaluation means your papers and all. In a certain school, 720 of the 1200 children were awarded A grade in maths. In maths how many students? 720. Means total how many students are there? 1200, and upon 720 they got the A grade. What is the percentage of the students giving A grade? Very easy. Just now we have to find the ratio with the that is the number of students awarded by A grade divided by total number of students, and percentage just take A% students got the that is the A grade. So A upon 100. If you solve this you will get the answer. We will see how it is solved in our textbook. Suppose the students getting A grade are A%. How many? A grade, how many students got? A%. Let us write in two forms. The ratios of the numbers of students getting A grade to the total number of students. That ratio we have to find out. So here 7 A grade students, how many? Out of 100 A students get the A grade, and out of 1200 how much? That is 720 got the A grade. Now how to solve? By two methods. This 100 it will come here for the multiplication. Zeros get cancels with these zeros. 12 ones are 12, 12 6 are 72 and 0, means 60% student got the A grade. Another method is shown here. We have to cancel 100. So just 100 is here. We have to cancel it. Multiply this fraction with the 100. Both side of equation. This 100 get cancels, and the remaining part is shown here. So 100 cancel. These two zeros get cancels with these zeros. 12 ones are 12. 12 6 are 72 and the 0. So 60% student got the A grade in the summative evaluation. Understood? In this way we have to solve this example. Clear? These examples you have to note down in your notebook. Some students are there, their parents are complaining me, they are not writing whatever examples I am explaining here, solved examples, that examples you are not writing in your notebook. So it is very important you have to note down this example. Now we will see the next example. A certain organization adopted 18% of the 400 school in districts. Means they adopted the 18% of the school from 400 schools. How many schools did they adopted? So how much 18% means what? 18 upon 100. Yes, 18% means 18 upon 100. And how many out of 400 is equals to, we have to take equals to how many percent? A percent take, B percent take, X percent take. Say let X number of schools are adopted out of 400. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. Let us write in the two forms. The ratios of number of schools adopted to the total number of schools. Okay, total number of schools, how many are there? 400. Okay, then of the school in the district, obtain the equation and solve it. So here 18% means 18 school out of 100. 18% means what? 18 school out of 100. So here 18% I told you how to write 18%. We can write it in this way also, 18 upon 100. So this is the 18% equals to how many? Suppose this we have to assume. Suppose the number of school adopted is A. Number of school adopted is A. So A upon 400 is equal to 18%. Means out of 400 how many schools they are adopted? A. Then out of 100 how many adopted? 18. So when you solve this, you will get the answer of it. I will show you how to solve this. First of all, this 400 we have to cancel. So here you can multiply with 400, otherwise this 400 it will come here for the multiply. 100 ones are 100, 100 fours are 400, and 18 fours are how much? 72. Means out of 400 from a district, 72 schools are adopted. And another method, just now I told you, this 400 gets cancelled with this 400, 100 ones are 100, 100 fours are 400, and 18 fours are 72. So the number of schools adopted are how many? 72 schools are adopted from the village. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the example. We have to use the percentage whenever we are solving the example. If we have to compare the two things, we have to find out the percentage. Okay, at the time of comparison we are using the method of solving the example, that is to find the percentage of a number. Okay, now after this, here practice set 30 is there. Okay, total how many? 6 only examples are there in it. You just try to solve it, these examples. These are very easy. Okay, percentage score, and just now I shown you an example. Same method is used inside it. You just try to solve these examples. Tomorrow I will tell you how to solve this example also, examples, but you just try it yourself. If you try yourself, then you will, whenever any kind of mistake you are doing, any point you are not understanding, whenever you are watching the video that is prepared by me, it will be clear for you. So you just try this example, which are the difficult examples, keep it as it is, or try to solve it. Whatever wrong, then also no problem. Tomorrow watch the video that I will show you. Okay, so today's homework is you have to solve the practice set number 30, and you have to solve this 6 example. Okay, and here it is, maths is a fun. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, it is written here in the square. Give each of the letter a unique number from 1 to 9. So every letter has different numbers. A, B, C, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I should be 2. Means this will be equal from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to give the numbers to these letters. And due to this, what happened? Sum of this, sum of this, sum of this, and sum of this. All columns is same. So this is a maths of fun. One activity is there. You can do it as a fun. So today you have to complete these 2 things. Maths is a fun. It is very interesting. If you are able to do this, you are a very talented student. Okay, so all of you complete the, try to solve the practice set 30, and this maths is fun, you have to try. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.